it's Megan with WTI, and I have been on the road a lot more than usual lately, and sometimes the coffee situation can be a little bit questionable. That's why I am so happy to have discovered these amazingly delicious TRIBO portable coffees. When I'm in the comfort of my own home in my daily routine, pour over coffee actually is my preferred coffee making method. The fact that these individual coffees are made that way was really appealing to me. It is incredibly easy to make these coffees, and they come in such a tasty variety. I find it so fun and innovative to make this coffee. I received the variety pack, and all of the flavors are incredibly full and rich tasting. Everything that I want in a cup of coffee is totally there. I have been traveling with my husband frequently lately because of his job, and we've been staying at rental places, and most of the times I don't know what kind of coffee making tools are available there. Having these TRIBO coffees to take with me has completely eliminated all of my coffee doubt and insecurity. This small thing has been such a welcome relief to me, since I am very reliant on a good quality cup of coffee every morning. As long as I have hot water available to me, I am good to go. They are so compact and easy to bring with me, and everything I need to make my perfect cup of coffee is included in the individual packages. I love that there is absolutely no mess for me to clean up after I prepare my cup of coffee. I simply throw away the used coffee along with the disposable pour over mechanism, and I'm totally done. These TRIBO coffees are not only really fun to have and to prepare, they have been a really practical addition to my life. And that's my point of view.